with past perfect tense. Now children, when we say past perfect tense, that means we have to keep this in mind that whatever we are going to talk about is going to it had already happened, it has taken place, it is now past, it has got nothing to do with the present situation, that is now. It has got nothing to do with now. Okay, so when we the past perfect tense always talks about an action that happened in the past in comparison to the other action, in comparison to the other action. First of all, let's go to the rule related to the past perfect tense, that is subject plus had. You can write it down, take your pencils and write it down in your notebooks on page 60 itself. Subject plus had plus past participle form of verb followed by the object if required. Okay, we can have subjects, various subjects like I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Okay, and we can add had after, we will add had after it, and then the past participle form of the verb. Now we use past perfect tense when we want to talk about two actions in which one action has preceded the other action. That means one action took place before the other action took place. Like before I left for school, I had eaten breakfast and had taken a shower. Before I left for school, I had eaten breakfast and I had taken a shower. Now, in this sentence, all the three actions have taken took place in the past, and the two actions. First action, I have mentioned I have left for the school. Means before I left for the school, what happened? I had eaten breakfast, and before that, I had taken a shower. You can note it down if you want. I'm repeating it. You can write it there. Before I left for school, I had eaten breakfast and I had taken a shower. Then the second point, imaginary things in the past, means when you express
Unnati, switch on your video.
When you express that if something was in your knowledge, you have been the action or your action must have been different. If I had known that you were ill, I would have helped you. If she had studied harder, she would have passed the exam. Underline had, underline known, and again underline had and underline studied. An action, then the third point, an action that finished in the past and whole result was visible in the past only. It has got nothing to do with the present or now situation. When I met Roshni yesterday, she was crying because she had lost her bicycle. She had lost, underline had and lost. Met is simple past, and again was crying is past continuous. You can write if you are confused. Take your time and write. Met is simple past and was crying is past continuous. And had lost is past perfect. Three forms of past tense are here in a single sentence. Now may come to the note given on the page. Past perfect is same as present perfect in the past. Means whatever was happening has already taken place and it has got nothing to do with your present situation. There is no cake left. He has eaten up. This is in present perfect tense. And the second sentence, there was. Was is past form of be na. No cake left. He had eaten. Now, had eaten is again past perfect tense. Now, remember times expressions used with the past perfect tense are for, since, already, after, just, never, get, before, by, and by the time. For and since they have a different use. They have a different use. I will repeat it again. When we use for, means we are talking about a duration in the past. Like, I had worked on this project for 2 months. I had worked, you can write this example, it is not given in your book. I had worked on this project for 2 months. I had worked on that project for 2 months. For 2 months means here we are talking about the duration, not a specific time. We are not talking about a specific time. Okay. Now, when we use since, we will say I had worked on that project since January. Since January means we are mentioning when we started in the past. Okay. Now, so these adverbs like already, even, just, never are often used with past perfect to emphasize the sequence of events. To emphasize, to stress on the sequence of the event. I will give you one more example for this. When he entered the classroom, when he entered the classroom, the teacher had already left. The teacher had already left. You can write it there. Like adverbs like already, even, just, never, and many more like this are used in past perfect tense to emphasize on the sequence of events. You can write it there. Adverbs like already, ever, just, never, etc. are often used with the past perfect tense to emphasize the sequence of the events. Write the example also. Reading it out to you. When he entered the classroom, the teacher had already left. Underline already and its adverb. To identify the sentence in past perfect continuous tenses, subject had been, verb in ing form, and object. Subject, I'm repeating, subject plus had been plus verb in ing form and followed by the object. Example, I had been living in Kolkata. I had been living in Kolkata. Subject had been, ing form of verb living, object in Kolkata. Now, past perfect continuous tense, or we can say past perfect progressive tense, talks about an action that happened in the past and was in continuation for some time. Okay, it started on a like for point 1 in your book on page 62. Talk about action that started at a definite time in past and continued up to that point and was in progress at the moment or had recently finished. It started in the past at a certain period, at a definite point of time, continued and was in progress or had very recently finished. An example from your book. Della was upset when she met us because it had been raining all day and she had missed her football practice. Stella was upset when she met us because it had been raining. Here it is past perfect continuous tense. It had been raining. Was upset and she met us was simple form. It had been raining all day and she had missed her football practice. Next example. She was very sleepy when we met her because she had been keeping awake the previous night. She was very sleepy when we met her because she had been keeping awake the previous night. Underline had been keeping. This is past perfect continuous tense in the sentence. Now you can write the example I'm telling you. I had been living in Kolkata before I moved to Prayagraj. I had been living in Kolkata before I moved to Prayagraj. Write it down in your book only with a pencil. I had been living in Kolkata before I moved to Prayagraj. Means in this it took place. What action took place in the past and has continued and stopped in the past only. In this sentence, the action of living in Kolkata was in the past and continued there only and stopped in the past itself before I moved to Prayagraj. Now this tense answer what is happening. What is happening? Like it had been raining all week. It had been raining all week. This is what has been. This sentence is answering what was happening all week. It had been raining all week. Understood, children?